Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy fractional shares on the Webull app. First, understand that fractional shares let you own a piece of a company, even if you can't afford a full share. Webull makes this accessible, often allowing investments starting from just $5. To begin, simply navigate to your desired stock's detail page and look for the fractional trading option. It's a straightforward way to start diversifying your portfolio with smaller amounts. Once you've selected your stock, tap Trade, and then ensure you choose fractional shares as your order type. Instead of buying a set number of shares, you'll input the dollar amount you want to invest, perhaps $25 or $50. The app will then calculate the corresponding fraction of a share. Always take a moment to review all the order details, including the estimated share quantity, before you hit that Confirm button. Investing in fractional shares offers several key advantages. It allows you to diversify your portfolio across many companies, even with a smaller budget, reducing risk. You can also access high-priced stocks, like those trading for hundreds or thousands of dollars per share, without needing to buy a full one. This approach also supports dollar-cost averaging, letting you invest consistent amounts over time, regardless of market fluctuations. Remember, when placing fractional orders, market orders execute at the current market price, while limit orders allow you to set a specific price. Also, keep in mind that not every stock on Webull is available for fractional share trading, so always check eligibility. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.